How to remove your Messenger account from another phone. This tutorial shows you how to log your account out from other devices using Account Center on your Android device. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top of the menu. At this point, scroll all the way down and tap on Account Center. In the next step, tap on Password and Security to open Security Settings. Following this, look for Security Checks and tap on Where you're logged in. Once done, select your Facebook account since Messenger is connected to it. From here, you'll see a list of devices where your account is currently logged in. At this stage, tap on the device you want to remove from the list. After this, tap on Logout to remove your account from that device. Once completed, confirm your action if prompted to fully log out the device. Finally, your Messenger account will be removed from that phone and secured. And that's it. If this Messenger guide helped you remove your account from another device, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.